To put on a pair of gloves, take the first glove by the cuff and slide your opposite hand into it, touching as little of the outside of the glove as you can. Use your gloved hand to take the second glove by the cuff and slide your bare hand into it. Careful not to touch your bare hand with your gloved hand. Proper glove removal is also important, particularly if you have handled raw animal products. To remove dirty gloves without contaminating your hands, pinch near the cuff of the first glove and pull it over your hand so that it turns inside out as it comes off. Wad the first glove into a ball in your gloved hand, then slide a finger under the cuff of the second glove, pinch the inside of the cuff, and pull the glove over your hand so that it turns inside out over the first glove as it comes off. This process keeps dangerous pathogens contained within the gloves and prevents them from becoming airborne or contaminating your hands and forearms, which can easily happen during hasty or careless glove removal. Follow the proper glove removal process and you will be well on your way to eliminating cross-contamination.